Hey there. Today I'm going to do a little cooking. I'm going to use this little cooking device called the Hot Logic Mini. It's an ideal cooking device for people who are van dwellers or who live in their RV or who vacation in their RV. It's just a really cool thing. Um, I'm going to make these stuffed cabbage, cheese overkill, delicious things. Something that just like kind of came up with a rendition of something that millions of people have made, I'm sure. But it's going to be really good. So if that interests you, stick around. I am not sponsored by Hot Logic Mini. They don't give me any money. They don't give me free stuff. I'm not trying to sell their product. I simply really like their product. And I think you will too, especially if you're a van dweller, if you live in your vehicle. This thing's all over YouTube, so I'll make it quick. Hot Logic Mini heats by low heat conduction. Heats to about 165, 170. It'll cook almost any dish you want to put in here in 2 hours or 3 hours. It will keep it warm for up to 5, 6 hours. It uses 45 watts plugged into 110. If you don't have 110, it's got a 150 watt car inverter if you have 12 volt. One of the cool things about cooking at this temperature is that food will retain a lot more of its nutritional integrity. So, and it's just easy. You can make everything in here, and it's especially if you're a van dweller, you live in your vehicle, you live in your travel trailer like I do. Space is at a premium, and you don't want to have a ton of dishes to do. Especially if you're boondocking, you don't want to waste your water on washing dishes. This is just like one dish. That makes it really beneficial to have around. So yeah, Hot Logic Mini, thing's pretty cool. You should probably get one. They're like $50. What we're using: some diced tomatoes, cabbage, garlic. This is Fontina cheese, but you can use whatever you want. It's similar to mozzarella. Tomatoes, onion, pecorino romano, mozzarella. For spinach, avocado oil, use whatever oil you want, and some chopped up mushrooms. First thing is to steam the cabbage leaves for about, 7, 8 minutes, somewhere right around there. Set the cabbage leaves to the side, let them cool for a little bit. In the meantime, we're going to make the onion and mushroom mixture. Now, oil. Let that heat up for a little bit. Onions. Garlic. This is all over low heat, by the way. Mushrooms. Little salt. Little pepper. Don't want it too well done. Right about this consistency is what I've found best. Maybe about 4 or 5 minutes. And then just let that cool. Dish. Diced tomatoes. That's about enough. Alright, so got your cabbage leaf. Can you see that? Kinda. Yeah, there you go. Not too much of the mushroom stuff. That's plenty. Spinach. Jam that in there. That's good. Some of the fontina. Some of the pecorino romano. And it's alright if the leaf is ripped. You know, you're not trying to impress anybody except yourself. Or maybe you are. I don't know. It's up to you. Pretty self-explanatory how to do this. Gotta fold in the sides. And then just roll it up, man. Rips. It's fine. It's gonna taste the same, I swear. There was a casualty. One bit the dust on the floor. So there's only 5, and it doesn't look near as symmetric as it would have. But it's still gonna be good. The one that bit the dust was like the best one too. He will not be forgotten. And the final part is to take these lovely tomatoes and just put them on the top like this. Spare guy. No tomato left behind. Mozzarella. As much as you want or as little as you want. It's up to you, man. This isn't baking. And hey, why the hell not? 3 cheese blend. Let's do them both. This is a vegetarian dish. Obviously, I'm not a vegetarian, but I eat a lot of vegetarian meals. Just because eating meat at every single meal is kind of disgusting. But I like meat, don't get me wrong. So yeah, there. That's done. Some Italian seasoning. And that's it. Where's my top? That's ready to go. The last and final step. Plug it in. Put it in. Zip it up. And let it sit for 2 hours. In 2 hours it will be done. But you can feel free to let it sit for 4 or 5 hours total because it will just keep it warm. It's not going to overheat it. Yeah, that's it. Next step after this is to just eat it. Finished product. 4 hours later. There it is. Let's get that one sideways one. And some of that goo. Oh man, guys, it's so good. It's one of the best things I've ever made in this thing. A little bit labor intensive, a little bit, for inside an RV, but so worth it, man. So good. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it benefited you in some way. Subscribe to my channel if you want to. I don't really post that many videos, and I'm not trying to make any money, so you know, you might see another video in like 2 months or a month or a week or 3 months. I don't know. I just kind of do this when I feel like it. So cheers. Alright, so here we are, near the end. Get your diced tomatoes. Get your diced tomatoes, stick them up your ass. Now I know you can tell from the professional quality of this video that I'm a professional. Was that a little bit redundant? Doesn't matter. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and